All right, let's do some order of operations practice now. Remember, the two things you need are PEMDAS and then just go left to right. Stick to those two things and you'll be fine. Also, make sure you're practicing this stuff on your own and not just watching me. I mean, watch the video for sure, but sit down and do these questions on your own and find some stuff online so you can practice. That'll make you 10 times better rather than just watching this. So, all right, here we go. 19 plus 1 minus 10 times 2. So I'll do what's inside the parentheses first. So bring down everything else. 19 plus 1 minus 10 times 2 is 20. And once I do everything in the parentheses, they go away. The parentheses, they go away. All right, so now I just got addition and subtraction, so I'll just go left to right. 19 plus 1 is 20, and then minus 20 is going to give us 0. Next, 100 divided by 4 times 2 plus 1. So no parentheses, no exponents. I do have division and multiplication, so I'll just go left to right on those. So 100 divided by 4 is 25, and then times 2 plus 1. 25 times 2 is 50, plus 1 is going to be 51. All right, next, in parentheses, 1 plus 5 squared minus 6, and then all that times 5. So definitely going in the parentheses first. And we have addition, an exponent, and subtraction. So we're going to take care of that exponent first. So I'll have 1 plus 5 squared is just 5 times 5, which is 25, minus 6, and then times 5. So still, because I haven't finished everything in the parentheses, I still have to keep doing stuff in there, and they won't go away. So I just have addition and subtraction. So I'll just go left to right. So 1 plus 25 is 26, minus 6 times 5, and then 26 minus 6 is 20, and the parentheses go away because we're done with all the operations inside them. So 20 times 5, that's going to be 100. All right, next one. Parentheses 3 squared times 2 minus 6 divided by, in parentheses, 27 divided by 9. So let's take care of, we got 2 parentheses, but it doesn't matter which one we do first. I'll just do this one on the left first. So going inside, we got an exponent, multiplication, and subtraction. So I'll do the exponent first. So that'll give us 9 times 2. Remember, 3 squared is 3 times 3, not 3 times 2. So I'll have 9 times 2 minus 6 divided by, and then while I'm at it, actually, I can just do this parentheses as well. It's not going to mess anything up. 27 divided by 9 is going to be 3, and the parentheses go away. Okay, over here, I still have multiplication and subtraction. So I'll do the multiplication first. 9 times 2 is 18, so I'll have 18 minus 6 divided by 3. And then do that last subtraction. I'll have 12, parentheses go away because we're done in there, divided by 3 is equal to 4. All right, keeping on. 40 divided by, in parentheses, 8 minus, I should say, and then that's in parentheses, 20 minus 16. So we have parentheses within parentheses. So start from the innermost parentheses, if this comes up on a question you have. So we're going to start with that 20 minus 16. So I'll keep everything else the same. And then 8 minus, well, 20 minus 16 is 4. And then these parentheses, those go away. All right, so now we just have this outer parentheses. So we'll do 8 minus 4, which is 4. So I'll have 40 divided by 4, and that's going to be 10. All right. 2 times, in parentheses, 5 plus 5 times 2. If you don't see that little multiplication dot and you just have a number next to another number, and usually one of them is at least in a parentheses by itself, that just means multiplication. So again, 2 times, in parentheses, 5 plus 5 times 2 divided by 10, and then all that squared. So go into this parentheses first, and we have addition, multiplication, and division. So I'll look at the multiplication and division first and go left to right. So I'll have 2 times 5 plus, 5 times 2 is 10, and then divided by 10, and all that squared. So now we just have addition and division. So I'll do the division first. So 2 times 5 plus 10 over 10, or 10 divided by 10 is 1. And now just the addition. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and then times 2 is 12. All right. Here is 24 divided by all of that stuff. I don't even feel like saying it. So go into the parentheses, and we have this parentheses inside of the big parentheses, and then this set over here. So you can do both at the same time, but just be careful if you do. So I'll do this this left one first. So we'll have 24 divided by 19 minus 11. That's going to be 8. So that'll be 8 squared. And then divided by, we can look at this parentheses. I'll do the division first, and then multiplication. So 80 divided by 5, that's going to be 16. So this here becomes 16, and then times 2. And I'll just do that times 2 now, which is going to give us 32. 16 times 2 is 32. So all of this stuff here is equal to 32. And punch it in your calculator if you're not convinced. Or just take it one step at a time. Okay, so now we just have an exponent and some division in this parentheses. So I'll do the exponent first. 8 squared is 8 times 8, which is 64, divided by 32. And then I have 24 divided by that. 64 divided by 32, or 64 over 32, is 2. So we'll have 24 divided by 2. And then 24 cut in half is going to give us 12. All right, I think this is the last one. 11 plus that stuff. So we'll go into the parentheses first, and we got multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So I'll do the multiplication first. So bring down everything. 4 times 8 is 32, and then plus 32, and then minus 4. And then we'll have divide by 6 minus 3 squared. All right, I'll just go ahead and take care of that addition and subtraction in the parentheses. I'm going to do it in one step. I'm just going to go left to right, so don't forget that. So 32 plus 32 is 64, and then minus 4 is going to give us 60. So I'll have 11 plus 60 divided by 6 minus 3 squared. Let's do this exponent over here. So I'll have 11 plus 60 divided by 6 minus 9. And then now the division, because I have addition and subtraction on the other two sides. So division comes first. 60 over 6, or 60 divided by 6, is 10. So 11 plus 10 minus 9. And 11 plus 10 minus 9, I'll just go left to right. 11 plus 10 is 21. And then minus 9 is going to give us, what is that, 12? Oh, that's a 12s. I think we had 3 answers that were 12. So, but that's it.